Alright, so today we're going to be fishing with a shaky head. Just got this from Walmart. It's a War Eagle, kind of like just a jig head, really. And just threaded a plum trick worm on it. Kind of Texas rigged it a little. Hopefully I should catch a little bit of fish. Seeing a lot of squirrels. I really wish I would have brought my polarized glasses. I don't know, maybe further out. You got one? Nice. Hope I got that setting the hook on that. Hey, that's pretty cool. First one on the shaky head. Maybe we could double up real quick. Yeah, that looks pretty nice on that plum shaky head. I might want to fish a fluke. I'm gonna try, if I have any, I'm gonna fish a Fluke Jr. And pretty much it's like, kind of like rides right under the water. And it's like jerkbait, pretty much. Soft plastic. Oh, that was a hit. I'm gonna head back over here. It's white, so it's pretty easy to see. Looks like, oh, that was so cool. Cameron, dude, that was so cool. Like pretty much it's white and it's like floating only an inch down. So like you can like see it get like just smashed. And this fish smashed it. He's just a little guy, but that was so cool. Dude, there's a fish. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Just saw it. Oh yeah, this guy's been in there. I just threw it right there. He zoomed out and got it. Oh yeah. That guy almost got it on top. That was nice. Nice little guy. Damn, that guy feels cold.